Good morning. Yeah, we're up here on the snowy range again. This is a shortcut between Saratoga and Laramie. Once we get to Laramie, we head north. We have 2 radio sites to do today, Glendo and Casper. So we got an early start, 6:45 a.m. The tourists haven't shown up here, but our shortcut is a great short run between Saratoga and Laramie. So we're on the road. We made it to Laramie, and yes, we're getting a Scottish breakfast. Heading north out of Laramie now on Highway 30, heading towards Glendo. We are now on the Wheatland cutoff here off of Highway 30. We're kind of going northeast now. Interstate 25 now. We're going to get on and go north. Cowbirdies. We are now northbound on Interstate 25. Next stop, Wheatland. We're off in Wheatland, Wyoming now, and we're going to go visit the Tesla Supercharger. I think it's right over there. I can see it to my right. It's in a hotel parking lot. We're going to go right here off the off-ramp here in Wheatland. Yeah, so the Superchargers here at the Heartland Inn and Suites. And we see a Model Y hooked up over here. It's kind of cool. He's pulling a trailer. Got to talk to him a little bit. I'm going to do a software or a supercharger review here. Heartland Inn and Suites hosts the Tesla Supercharger here in Wheatland, Wyoming. The supercharger is conveniently located right off the Interstate 25 here at the Heartland Inn. And as we see, we have a Model Y pulling a trailer. I'm going to go talk to him, figure out what's going on. This is an 8-stall, looks like 150 kilowatts. Easy. They've also got, very cool, a trash can and something to clean your windows. So kudos to Heartland Inn for hosting the Tesla Supercharger. Let's go see what's going on. This is Royal. I met him here in Wheatland, Wyoming, charging his white Model Y, and look what's hooked to the rear. A trailer. Royal, tell us a little bit about this trailer and how does it work for you?
It's a Casita model 2018 17 foot. It handles fantastic. As you can see, it's got a trailer hitch. It's got a built-in sway control. It's easy to hook up, disconnect. When I get some of the chargers, I do have to disconnect at times, but usually I'm lucky enough to get a side charger, so I don't have to do that. But it works great as long as I got a tailwind.
Yeah, and you can say you get about 110 per charge.
If I'm level and with a tailwind, I try to charge about every 80 miles or however they fall. But out west here, it's been a pain.
Yeah, sure. They're spread out, I think, a little bit more.
Yeah.
Good deal. Well, this is great. 17 foot, 300 and some pound tongue weight, and what's it, 3,500 pounds?
2,500 on
25?
Empty weight.
Okay, good deal. Well, look at that. See that? You can pull a trailer with a Model Y. Royal, it's very nice meeting you, and I'll look for you again.
All right, when I get my Tesla Cybertruck, we'll meet up again.
You bet. And when mine comes in, we're going to have a meetup someplace.
I'll be there.
Good deal. Thank you.
Bye-bye.
Bye-bye. Yeah, we're just leaving the Heartland Inn here, and look at that. Besides the superchargers, they've got 4 destination chargers here. How about that? I bet you the guy that owns this has a Tesla. Go Heartland Inn. Back on Interstate 25 here now, headed to Glendo. We made it here to Glendo. That's the site there. Just off Interstate 25 here. Yes, we found another dirt road. Of course, all these sites have some form of dirt road except for the site at Casey. And just like that, Glendo is history for another number of months. Let's get the heck out of here, heading to Casper, Wyoming. We're on Interstate 25, headed north now, leaving Glendo, on the way to Casper Mountain. We're in Douglas, Wyoming now. We're on the way up to the mountain here for the Casper radio site now. Just leaving Casper site now, headed back to the ranch. Yeah, we've come off the back of the mountain. It's a shortcut, go to the south here, so we're taking this dirt road down to the highway now. We are out on Highway 487 now, headed south. we're driving along, and all of a sudden, woo, 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 we're up and down and everything else. This whole section of road here on 487 is all heaved. It's kind of like a ribbon where you have bumps in it as it goes along. It's hard to see on the picture here, but if you look way over on the left side of the road by the side there, you can kind of see. It's hard to see looking down the road, but there's bumps like that one and everything else, and they're getting so bad here that you become airborne when you drive at the speed limit. We're just about back to home here, so I'm going to sign off for today. Hope you enjoyed today's video. It was sure nice meeting Royal out there with his Model Y pulling his trailer in Wheatland, Wyoming. Got 2 more sites done today, one in Glendo, the other in Casper, and we're on our way back, 425 miles. As a reminder, I'm going to be doing this starting Saturday, or make that Sunday, and we're headed up to Yellowstone, so stay tuned for more video from Yellowstone. If you like this video, go ahead and click the like, click subscribe, and don't forget to click the bell icon to not miss anything going forward. Be sure to share, of course, my videos with your friends. They might enjoy the scenery here in Wyoming. The referral link shown at the bottom of the screen gets you 1,000 miles or 1,500 kilometers of free supercharging. Thanks for watching. I'll look for you again, and take care.